again. So we are here today doing Easter dinner to go. So I'm just doing a sample of how it's going to be my crab plate. The crab plate is going to be just crab, cucumber, tomato, and avocado. So first of all, what I do is I cut thin slices of cucumber, longwise, and then I put a little slice of tomato in my tin. If I'm gonna do it in a plate, so I'll do it in a plate, but this is really also easy to make at home. Probably the most difficult part to do is the thin slices of the cucumber. You can do it with a peeler, with a potato peeler. Just make sure that it's very mashed into the peeler, into the cucumber, dip it down, and then you'll probably be able to do it like that. I'll do it with a slicer machine, which makes it easy for me. So after I do this, I just add the crab meat inside. I put the tomato underneath. I did my little ring with the cucumber, which it looks very natural, very nice. And I do this. I can add at this point a little bit of salt if I want to. Crab meat usually comes in little cans. It's pasteurized, it's very good quality. Always try to get the best one that is in the market, so like that you know that you are gonna eat something really, really nice. Take your avocado, cut it in half, cut it in quarters. After you have a quarter of the avocado, you're just gonna slice it, the avocado. You slice the avocado. I like to just try to do little slices, so I kind of do a small design. You can put it whatever way you want it, and it's going to be fine. At this point also, I like to do a little bit of lemon in the crab meat, just a little bit of lemon. And I do also, if I do have it, lemon oil, then I do lemon oil. Otherwise, I just do olive oil in there, which also comes out to be very nice. Now, I put my avocado on top. I just do my avocado on top. Very nice. Remember, this is to go, so like the way that the transportation sometimes comes out nice, sometimes it comes out broken, which that's why I make the ring with that, so like that it holds it. Then after that, I do slices of cucumber, and I put the slices of cucumber all around my tin, where is all the cucumber, of course. And then I chop a little bit of tomato just to create a little bit of color in the dish. So I just get a slice of tomato, I chop it up, make it as nice as possible in there. Then cut it and then just put it all around. All right, so that's pretty much over. Now, in order to finish it, of course, I gotta put a little bit of lemon. Always put lemon in your avocado, so like that it's not gonna get black. I just put a little bit of lemon, squeeze a little bit of lemon, make sure that no seeds coming in there, and the lemon covers all the avocado, so it's not gonna get black at all. Then after that, I put a little bit of lemon oil, on top of the avocado, which I already put it, and I put it in the cucumber and the tomato also. Then I make a little sauce. This is just orange juice reduced with a little bit of lemon oil at the end that I'm doing it now. Shake it pretty much. Put little couple drops of lemon, so it gives a little bit more of the lemony flavor. Shake it and just put it all around the dish too. It is a very nice dish. Eats very well and covered. So there you go. We have our dish that I'm gonna try to do it in this way so everybody can see it nice. All right, so this is gonna be our dish. This is the one that we just made, and it's absolutely very good. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.